Can I ask you something?
Sure.
Imagine you're on vacation in New York.
Sounds exciting already.
You're hungry.
Very hungry.
You walk into a restaurant.
The waiter gives you a menu.
Everything is going well.
Until the waiter asks one simple question.
What would you like to order?
And suddenly,
Your mind goes completely blank.
you know English.
You studied English.
You watched English videos.
But now you don't know what to say.
Don't worry.
Today we'll practice ordering food in English.
You'll learn useful phrases.
You'll hear real restaurant conversations.
And you'll test yourself along the way.
Ready?
Let's order some food.
Before we start,
Let's see how much restaurant English you already know.
imagine you're sitting in a restaurant.
The waiter walks over and asks, "What would you like to drink?"
Can you answer in English?
Go ahead.
Say your answer out loud.
How did that feel?
Easy?
A little difficult?
Don't worry.
By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to order food confidently in English.
Hi everyone.
Welcome back to Learn English with Jay and Anna.
I'm Jay.
And I'm Anna.
Today's lesson is one of the most useful English skills.
Because everyone gets hungry.
That's definitely true.
Whether you're traveling, studying abroad, or meeting friends.
You'll probably need to order food in English someday.
The good news is that restaurant English is actually very simple.
You don't need advanced vocabulary.
You just need a few useful phrases.
Let's start from the moment you walk into the restaurant.
Okay, we're walking into the restaurant.
The waiter smiles and says, "Hello. Welcome. How many people?"
That's a very common question.
Let's say you're alone.
You can simply say, "Just one, please."
Easy.
What if you're with a friend?
Then you can say, "Table for two, please."
Simple and natural.
The waiter then says, "Right this way."
And now you're seated.
Now it's time to look at the menu.
This is where many learners get nervous.
But don't worry.
Let's learn some useful phrases.
Maybe the menu isn't on the table.
In that case, you can ask, "Can I see the menu, please?"
Very polite.
And very common.
Now imagine you're reading the menu.
But you haven't decided yet.
The waiter comes back and asks, "Are you ready to order?"
But you're still thinking.
No problem.
You can say, "I need a few more minutes, please."
That's a great phrase to remember.
Let's say it together.
I need a few more minutes, please.
Your turn.
Imagine you're in a restaurant right now.
The waiter asks, "How many people?"
Answer out loud.
Are you alone?
Or are you with friends?
Go ahead.
Say your answer now. All right.
You've found your table.
You've looked at the menu.
And now you're ready to order.
The waiter comes over and asks, "Are you ready to order?"
This is the moment many learners get nervous.
But don't worry.
Here's a very useful phrase. I'd like.
That's one of the most common ways to order food.
For example, I'd like a cheeseburger, please.
Or, I'd like a pizza, please.
Or, I'd like the chicken sandwich, please.
Simple.
Natural.
And polite.
J. Many learners say, I want a burger.
That's understandable.
But it can sound a little direct.
Native speakers often say, I'd like a burger.
Or, can I have a burger, please?
Both sound friendly and natural. Let's do a quick role play.
I'll be the customer.
And I'll be the waiter. Hello. What would you like to order?
I'd like a cheeseburger and fries, please.
Excellent choice. Anything else?
No, thank you.
Perfect.
Now let's talk about drinks.
Because every meal needs a drink.
Well, almost every meal.
The waiter might ask, what would you like to drink?
You could answer, I'd like a bottle of water, please.
Or, I'd like a coffee, please.
Or maybe, I'd like an orange juice, please.
Very easy.
You can use the same pattern every time.
That's why it's so useful.
Let's practice together.
Imagine you're in a restaurant.
I'm the waiter. What would you like to drink?
Answer out loud.
Maybe water.
Maybe coffee.
Maybe tea.
Go ahead.
Say your answer now.
Great job.
Now let's order some food. What would you like to eat?
Again, answer out loud.
Pizza?
Burger?
Pasta?
Whatever you like.
Say your answer now.
Excellent.
Sometimes the waiter asks extra questions.
Let's learn a few of them.
For example,
Would you like fries with that?
you can simply say, yes, please.
Or, no, thank you.
Another common question is, anything else?
If you're finished ordering, you can say, that's all, thank you.
Very useful phrase.
And very easy to remember.
Jay, have you ever made a mistake while ordering food in English?
Oh yes,
Really?
a very memorable mistake.
Now I need to hear this story.
A few years ago I was traveling. I went into a restaurant and wanted chicken soup.
Sounds simple enough.
I was nervous. And I accidentally ordered chicken salad.
That's completely different.
Very different.
What happened?
The waiter brought the salad. I looked at it. The waiter looked at me. And I realized my mistake.
Did you send it back?
No,
Why not?
I was too embarrassed.
So what did you do?
I ate the salad.
That's one way to solve the problem.
The lesson is simple.
What's that?
Mistakes happen. And that's okay.
Let's learn some useful questions.
Good idea.
Sometimes you don't understand a menu item.
That happens to everyone.
You can ask, "What's in this?"
Very useful.
Or, "What do you recommend?"
Restaurants hear that question all the time.
Maybe you have a food allergy.
Then you can ask, "Does this contain nuts?"
Or, "Is this spicy?"
Simple questions can save you from surprises.
What if you want to change something in your order?
That's called a special request.
For example, "No onions, please."
Or, "No cheese, please."
Maybe you want extra sauce.
Then you can say, "Extra sauce, please."
Easy.
And very useful.
Okay, everyone.
It's challenge time.
Imagine you're sitting in a restaurant.
I'm the waiter.
And you're the customer.
Ready?
Let's begin.
Hello. What would you like to drink?
Answer out loud.
Great. Now what would you like to eat?
Say your answer.
Excellent. Would you like fries with that?
Yes or no?
Answer now.
You're doing great.
Last question. Anything else?
What would you say?
Maybe. That's all, thank you.
Perfect answer.
Wait a minute.
What?
We forgot dessert.
How could we forget dessert?
The best part of the meal.
The waiter might ask, "Would you like dessert?"
You could say, "Yes, please."
"I'd like some ice cream."
Or, "No, thank you."
"I'm full."
That's probably what I should say.
But you never do.
That's true.
Eventually, the meal is over.
Sadly.
And now it's time to pay.
What's the most useful phrase here?
Very simple. "Can I get the bill, please?"
In American English, people often say, "Can I get the check, please?"
Bill and check mean the same thing here.
Exactly.
Let's practice.
Can I get the bill, please?
One more time.
Can I get the bill, please? Anna, do you have a restaurant story?
Of course.
Let's hear it.
When I was learning English, I was afraid to ask questions.
A lot of learners feel that way.
One day I was in a restaurant. I saw something interesting on the menu.
What was it?
Honestly, I had no idea.
You didn't know what it was?
Not at all.
Did you ask the waiter?
No.
Oh.
I just ordered it.
That sounds risky.
Very risky. When the food arrived, I realized I didn't like it.
A valuable lesson.
Exactly. Now I always ask questions.
Such as?
What's in this? Is it spicy? What do you recommend?
Those questions can save your dinner.
Exactly.
Welcome back to the Restaurant English Test.
Let's see how much you've learned.
You're sitting in a restaurant.
The waiter walks over.
What would you like to drink?
Answer out loud.
Great.
Now what would you like to eat?
Answer in a full sentence.
Maybe start with I'd like.
Excellent. One last question. How would you ask for the bill?
Go ahead.
If you answered, "Can I get the bill, please?"
You passed today's restaurant English test.
Now it's your turn.
Don't just listen.
Speak with us.
Simple English is enough.
Question 1. What's your favorite food?
Take a moment and answer out loud.
Question 2. What's your favorite drink?
Your turn.
Question 3. What would you order at a restaurant today?
Use the phrase I'd like.
Question 4. Do you like spicy food?
Why or why not?
Last question. What's your dream meal?
Breakfast, lunch, dinner, or dessert?
Tell us in the comments.
Let's recap what we learned today.
First, can I see the menu, please?
Second, I need a few more minutes, please.
Third, I'd like a burger, please.
Fourth, can I have a coffee, please?
Fifth, what's in this?
Sixth, no onions, please.
And finally, can I get the bill, please?
Those simple phrases can help you in restaurants almost anywhere.
Before we finish, remember this.
Most people aren't judging your English.
They just want to understand you.
You don't need perfect grammar.
You don't need a huge vocabulary.
You just need the courage to speak.
Every restaurant conversation is practice.
Every question you ask builds confidence.
And every small success makes the next conversation easier.
That's how fluency grows.
One conversation at a time.
Thanks so much for practicing with us today.
We hope you're feeling more confident about ordering food in English.
Tell us in the comments. What would you order at your favorite restaurant?
Use the phrase, "I'd like."
And finish the sentence.
If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe to Learn English with Jay and Anna. Real English.
Simple English.
Practical English.
Take care.
Keep practicing.
And we'll see you in the next conversation.